Hello guys, welcome to mytutorialrack.com. I hope you have enjoyed my Salesforce development mini course and now you're probably looking to go ahead and get enrolled in a complete course. So if you have enjoyed my teaching style and you loved the examples that I have given in the mini course, you will definitely going to love my complete Salesforce developer training course for beginners like you. So in order to enroll in the course, you go ahead and go to courses.mytutorialrack.com, and inside of this, go to all courses. And in all the courses, I have a course called Salesforce Developer Training for Beginners Basic to Advanced. Now this is a complete course and it covers all the different topics. It has total of about 14 sections. It is 14 hours of video content available to you, have total about 111 lectures for you. So you can go ahead and enroll in this course, but wait a minute. The course is priced at $197. I think it's too much. So what I'm going to do here is, just because you have attended and shown some interest in programming, I'm going to give you a discount. So what you can do is you go ahead and click on enroll in the course for $197. Click on that link and use this coupon code called mini course. This is the coupon code that you can go ahead and apply, which will give you a $100 discount right away, and you can enroll in this complete course for just $97. And once you do that, you go ahead and enter your credit card information. You can either use PayPal or credit card to make the payment, and then you can provide your credit card information, or you can go ahead and connect with your PayPal account. And once you do that, you go ahead and agree to Teachable's terms and condition and enroll in the course for just $97. So I repeat one more time, this is the course to go ahead. You go ahead and go to courses.mytutorialrack.com, and then here in under view all courses, you will see this course called Salesforce Developer Training for Beginners, and the coupon code to enroll here is mini course. This is a great course. It will help you to not only understand the basics, but also cover some advanced topics like triggers, batch processes. Then you have transactions in Salesforce, order of execution, test classes. All that will be covered in this 14-hour long course. So go ahead and enroll in the course now, and I will see you inside the course. Thank you.